Hello, my name is Krysta Crawford, and I am the creator and artist of the indie fantasy comic series Wolf and I. The series is about a college student named Violet and her best friend Sophia in the compelling tale of how V's life turns upside down after a close encounter with a mystifying stranger and the mysterious magical occurrences that lead to her grandparents' unexpected truth, the concealed origin of her parents' history. Issue 2 takes us further into the story as we encounter new characters and glimpses into new worlds. More backstory is included to discuss Sophia and her ability to communicate with ghosts. The choices that Violet and Sophia will have to make in Magic Rising will change the course of the story and their lives forever. Magic Rising will be another 20-page comic book, just like issue 1, but this time, not only do we have the original cover as a choice, but 4 variant covers to choose from, including 4 great guest artists who have come on board to do exclusive covers for issue 2. In addition, you also will have the ability to upgrade any cover to a jeweled edition. We have many fun stretch goals planned for this campaign, including stickers, prints, enamel pins, added art pages, and more if this campaign goes above and beyond our goal. The reason we are running another Kickstarter is to celebrate the launch of issue 2 and to gather the funds for the initial printing to get copies into brick and mortar comic shops, Comic-Con, and online sales. But by backing the Kickstarter, only you get the exclusive Kickstarter stretch goals included for free. Tell your friends and family to check out Wolf and I today. From a compelling story to highly detailed interiors, this is a comic adventure of the likes you have never seen before.